Tools needed: T20 Torx bit, pair of pliers, 2 screwdrivers. So there's 4 screws in the front here. Those 2 hold in the charging brass connectors, which we'll show you in a later date. And those 2 hold in the actual wheel. There's 2 little clips we need to edge back here, there and there. So if you just pull it, that lets it come up out like so. You can see 4 screws have come out. That's your 4 screws. You need to be gentle here. Pull this rubber back to allow your cables to come out. Rather than take the whole machine apart to replace that, we just do this. So a pair of pointy nose pliers to pull out the brass connector here. Noting, black wire to this side, red wire to this side. That's that way. New connector. Comes pre-wired, but we're actually going to bin the new wiring. We're going to bin this wiring. So yet again, you've got to take out the 2 screws here and here. So we'll end up with 2 spare screws. Pull out the new ones here. Put in the old ones back into here, noting, of course, the new wheel gets in the way, makes life very easy. Noting the brass connectors point this direction. Now, when you get this to here, you need to pull the rubber grommet back into here. Make sure you push this rubber grommet in. So there's your cables all nice and neat again. And literally click your 2 clips back in with a screwdriver. There you go. That's that clip in. And you have 4 screws to replace now. So the 2 that hold in the charging connectors. And the 2 that actually hold the wheel in. And that, they say, is that done.